We're going to explain how we build our DC motor for our final project for electricity and magnetism.
First, the materials we used were wood to make a wooden frame for the motor, PVC pipes in half an inch and 3/4 of an inch sizes, metal squares, neodymium magnets, and a power source.
We also use magnet wire to build the coil.
First, we built the wooden frame and drilled holes for the PVC pipe to go through. After that, we drilled a hole through the PVC pipe to get a threaded rod inside of it and adjusted and got it there with metal bolts. After that, we used the magnet wire to coil it around the threaded rod and make the core of the DC engine. Then we put in place the metal plaques that hold the neodymium magnets for the motor DC engine to work. The next step was drilling screws to the wooden frame of the DC engine to put where the power source would connect to. Finally, we used a copper tube to make a split ring commutator for the engine, so it could turn freely.
Now we're gonna test our engine to see if it works. We're now giving it some current and voltage from the power supply.
It should turn now, but
Yes, it appears.
not turning.
Though
The voltage and current are alternating.
yes, you could see from this perspective that there are sparks
Yes.
coming out of right there, but it is not working properly.
Okay.
This section right here, the coils and the magnets are not turning as they're supposed to. We tested various. We tested several parts of the engine to see why it didn't work. At first, we thought that our coils weren't working. Our bobinado.
The spires.
Yeah,
We thought that we didn't have enough spires, and then we thought that we have very few spires. So that was the first theory that why it didn't work.
So we reviewed various times, and sometimes only half of the rod was magnetized and the other wasn't. But we finally got it to work with a decent enough sized magnet field created by the solenoid, and it still didn't work.
Then we tested the continuity of the circuit to see if it was.
If there was the problem.
If the problem was with
The wire
with the
With
wire.
wire.
or the threaded rod, and both were continuous and not insulated, so it wasn't that either. We tested different distances from the rod to the magnets.
Yes, we adjusted the height of the magnets to be like at the same
Level.
level with the.
And the length as well. We tried with smaller neodymium magnets, but they were roughly the same strength.
Then with the sensor,
Yes.
the magnetic field sensor, we
Discovered
discovered that the magnetic field was very wide.
in the cord.
Very small compared to that
Yes,
of the
to
magnet.
the
You could see in the lab quest where that the field produced by the magnet is quite high, but our engine does not create a magnetic field that big. So we now think that it might be the problem.
yes, that these are very strong.
Yes. So our
Next theory.
our current theory as to why the DC engine did not work is that the magnets we use have
Very strong.
yeah, as the magnetic field is too strong for the size of the you have for the coil and the core.